the goal of physics, we believe, is to find an equation, perhaps no more than 1 inch long, which will allow us to unify all the forces of nature.
An equation about an inch long means it is a small equation. Physicists are expecting an equation that describes all of nature to be small. In other words, it would be simple and not complicated. The equations that describe how nature moves tend to be quite basic. Einstein's equation for energy and matter, Coulomb's law, gravitational force, force equals mass times acceleration. These equations can be discovered using algebra and not complex, advanced mathematical methods and techniques. The truth will be simple, and if it turns out to be complex, the truth will be the equation that is the least complicated. It's algebra that provides us the fundamental equations that mathematically describe reality as we experience it in our daily lives. By taking algebra, geometry, and trigonometry, you are equipped with precisely the same tools Einstein used to discover that energy and matter are equivalent. What then can't you do? When mathematics is communicated correctly, it establishes the principles of how to learn. It's not when will I ever use algebra or trigonometry, but when will I have to find solutions to problems working with the information at hand. That's every day. Algebra comes from an Arabic word, aljabar. It's actually a medical term for when a bone was broken and had to be reset. Remember what they say in algebra. What you do to one side, you have to do to the other side. In the same way that a doctor had to place the bones in the right place, so one does when they break down the problem on one side of the equal sign and set it in place on the other side of the equal sign in the right place to solve the problem. Be strong in algebra and trigonometry. Calculus problems are simplified and easier to solve when the right algebra and trigonometry moves are made.